Aha ngaha tugiye kureba uburyo wakora editinga ukoresheje inshort. Inshort editinga cyane. Inshort irusha izindi app editinga. Aha ngaha niho tugiye kurebamo utuntu tungahe twa inshort kuhakweditinga tw'ubwenge. Wowe gusa usabwa no gukora subscribe ugafungura inzogera kugira ngo ubashe kubona notification z'ibigiyeho. Subscribe ufungure inzogera ukore na like wandike muri comment ukundi kuntu twazakweditingira ibindi bintu ushaka kugerekeye kweditinga urabisanga aha ngaha.
This is called a spin transition. Welcome to Transition Tidbits, where I show you trendy transitions you can use in your next video. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. You'll need your phone and a container lid. Take a selfie video, then end the shot with a clockwise spin. Go to another location and start filming with a clockwise spin. Don't forget to spin your phone in the same direction. Import your first video and make sure it ends with a spin. Import your second video and start your video with a spin. Tap split and delete the excess. Now you have your spin transition. To make it smoother, select the first clip, go to speed, curve, and speed up the end of your first clip. Select your second clip and speed up the start, and you're done. Save this video and follow us for more transitions. Cook some noodles, arrange the letters on a plate, start recording. Scoop the noodles and toss them back into the bowl. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import the video on InShot. Tap reverse, and that's it. Save.
Subscribe andika muri comment umbwire ikigufashije. Like ujye uyikanda kugira ngo video ibashe kugera kure. Like nayo ni ingenzi. Duhure mu yindi video ikurikira.